Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Mint AI app Easy Method. Tap the New Project button and pick a template that matches your goal to save time. Name your project clearly and adjust settings for language and notification preferences. Train Mint AI with 2 or 3 example prompts to teach its tone and behavior. Test a quick run and tweak responses until the output feels natural and helpful for your workflow. Mint AI includes features that speed up daily tasks like drafting emails, summarizing meetings, and organizing notes. Explore templates first to borrow proven workflows and customize them for your needs. Try voice prompts to create content, while multitasking and use integrations to pull info from calendars and email. Set response style and length in the settings to match your brand voice. Regularly review outputs and refine example prompts for better results over time. To get consistent results from Mint AI, give it short, specific examples that show desired tone and structure. Use length and style sliders to control verbosity and formality so outputs match your audience. When a response needs improvement, use the feedback tool to mark errors and suggest corrections, which trains future runs. Schedule periodic reviews of your top projects to adjust prompts, update integrations, and ensure Mint AI reflects your latest preferences and workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.